Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to uninstall or remove Food Dash Flow control game on Android phone. So without wasting time, here follow these steps. So first of all, open settings on your Android phone. Tap on system settings. Now if you don't find system settings over here, then go to home. Then drag down from the top to bottom. Then tap on settings icon. This will open the settings on your Android phone. Now scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management, and here search for Food Dash Flow control game and tap on the Food Dash Flow control game, and then you will see the uninstall option. Click on uninstall. Then it will ask you Food Dash Flow control game, do you want to uninstall this app? You have to tap on OK to confirm, and that's it. So by following these steps, you can easily uninstall or remove Food Dash Flow control game on your Android device. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.